Hello everyone, I'm Kim from Yesterday's Tomorrows and welcome. I'm just doing some floral home decor today using Paint Couture paints and Essential Stencils Transfers. Now I'm just using a sign I got from Hobby Lobby after Easter last year when it was 90% off. So sometimes when you see those things, grab them because you can repaint over them and create new projects with them. So I'm just using an Essential Stencil Valentine stencil that says love you more on there, and I'm just taking pixie spray and putting some pixie spray on the back of it because that just makes your stencils adhere to your project so much better so you do not get bleed through, and it gives you such nice clean crisp lines. All right, so look at this beautiful color. It's by Paint Couture. It's called Mulberry. It's one of their newest colors, and I'm just taking an Essential Stencil brush. Love Essential Stencils brushes. I love their stencils and their transfers. They're just beautiful. So I'm just putting on the color by Paint Couture. It's called Mulberry, and just putting a coat on there. And then I'm going to take the stencil off, and then I'm going to put the stencil back on because I want on the bottom to have the hearts that are on the stencil. So now I'm just moving it down a little bit because I wanted the Love You More sign to be in the middle of the wooden planks, so I needed to stencil Love You More first and then take it off and then put the hearts down, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm just putting a coat of it down, and there you go. Love You More. Didn't that come out so pretty? And I just love this. And this doesn't scream Valentine's Day. You can leave it up all year round if you'd like to. So this is cool. This is their transfers, and it's peony. Love it. It comes in 2 sheets. It has so many different colors and size peonies on there that you can use for all your projects. It's one of my favorites. And as of December 31st, today is the last day, they're having a 25% off sale. And if you use my discount code yesterday, you get an extra 10% off. So if you're watching this before the ball drops for midnight and you would like this stencil, you get 35% off. So anyway, so you put your transfer on and you just rub it down with your 2 fingers after you put it down. Big fancy word called burnishing. Now I thought that this other side needed one also. So look at this pretty one that has the stem attached to it. I thought that would be pretty on the other side. So me and my OCD, I don't know if I want that one. Maybe I want this one instead. No, that one's too pink. That one is just perfect. See, they come in 2 sheets, and there are so many peonies on there. It'd be tough to decide which one you want for your projects. So you just take it down, press it on, and then you just take your transfer stick and just rub it on, just like so. And then you just want to peel it off from one side real easily. And if you see a part that's sticking on, boom, put the plastic back down, rub it a little bit more, and it will stick right to the wood. There you go. And then big fancy word burnishing, make sure that it's stuck down. And then I'm taking my archival ink in Ground Espresso because I love to edge out my projects. I just think that it just finishes off the projects. Also, I love my projects to look old, vintagey looking. I don't like to make them look new. So by applying this Ground Espresso around the edges, and I'm going to put a little bit inside too, there we go. And it's just going to give it more of an aged look. And that's what I'm looking for. So there we go. Love you more. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.